Let us now look at the second type of a family, which is called a monogamous family. So what is a monogamous family? A monogamous family is a family structure where an individual has only one spouse at any given time. An individual has only one spouse. Kureva kuti baba vangori nemukadzi umwe chete vanova amai. Amai vangori nemurume mumwe chete vanova baba. Saka when we talk about a monogamous family, we are saying an individual, and by individual we are referring to father or mother. Yes, only one spouse at any given time. Saka tatsanangura kuti zvinorevei. They love and care for each other and their children. Some families do not have children, whilst others have. So when we look at a monogamous family, we are looking at the father, daddy, the mother, mom, and the children, kids. Like that. It's a family which is made up of father and mother. They might have children, they might not. So you must not think that because a family does not have children yet, it's not a family. No, it is still a family. Saka kana murume aine mukadzi umwe chete, kana kuti mukadzi aine murume umwe chete, iyo inonzi a monogamous family. Let us discuss activity 1.2. Talk about some of the duties of family members in a monogamous family as a class. Saka tinogona kudzokera kuno towedzera zvishoma. Because a monogamous family is only going to have one father, one mother, then children or no children. So the father is still going to be the provider of the family, going to work so that he provides to the family financially. The mother is still going to be a homemaker and also a provider to the family. Children are also going to obey their parents, help their parents, and do errand runnings. So nothing has actually changed much here. You also can add other things dependent on your family. And I want you to notice the relationship between a nuclear family and a monogamous family. A nuclear family, it has a father, a mother, and children. A monogamous family has a father and mother and children or no children. So that is the similarity there. Let us see what we are going to be doing here. Spouse means husband or wife. That is what a spouse is. So if your father says, my spouse is your mother, he means his spouse is his wife. Saka kana murume nemukadzi vakaroorana, murume anenge achiti my spouse kumukadzi wake, mukadzi achiti my spouse kumurume wake. What is a monogamous family? So to define a monogamous family, we say an individual is one spouse. So an individual is one spouse. That is what a monogamous family is. Spouses dash and care for each other and their children. Spouses love and care for each other and their children. A spouse should love his or her own spouse. The husband should love the wife. The wife should love the husband. But what is the opposite of a monogamous family? The opposite of a monogamous family is what is called a polygamous family. And kana tichiti polygamous family, kana tiri kwedu kwazvimba tinoti barika. That's a polygamous family. Now for this polygamous family, what do we see? A polygamous family is a type of marriage where one person is married to more than one spouse at a time. So one person is married to more than one spouse at a time. In practice, tiri kuti barika kana kuti polygamous family, we have one man, this is the man, married in this case to 3 wives, as you can see. So one man with 3 wives. That's a polygamous family. One spouse or a man married to several spouses at a time. Several spouses at a time, and these are wives. Saka kana kuine munhu amunoziva murume ane vakadzi vanodarika 1, that is an example of a polygamous family. For example, 2 or more wives sharing a husband. In the village, the whole family lives together. Saka we have also the whole family living together. In towns, each wife may have separate accommodation. They can live in different locations. So what is happening? In the village usually, murume akaroora more than one wife vanogara pamwe chete. Asi kumatauni, murume anogona kuva nevakadzi vakawanda vanogara kunzvimbo dzakasiyana. So that is what we learn about a polygamous family. You can discuss the activities you think are on a polygamous family. Of course, for a polygamous family, there are going to be many children. Children can be as many as 20, 30, 40, because this man might be having an average of, let us say, 5 children per wife. So if he has 3 wives, it means he's going to have close to 20 children. So this is what usually happens in the rural areas.